Forget the hype around expensive protein powders. Real muscle growth starts in your kitchen. The truth is, you can fuel incredible strength and size by simply choosing the right whole foods. If you're aiming to build muscle that lasts, it's not just about pumping iron. It's about powering your body with the nutrients it needs to grow and recover. That means loading your plate with foods rich in protein, energizing carbs, and healthy fats. The perfect combination to help you push harder in workouts and rebuild stronger afterward. In today's video, we're diving into the 9 most powerful foods for building muscle and boosting strength. No powders or gimmicks, just real fuel for real results. Stick around. If you're serious about gains, hit that like button. It tells me you're all in on building real strength and results. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness tips, and share this video with a friend who needs to level up their muscle game too. So let's break down what your muscles are really craving. Ready? Let's go. 1. Eggs. Eggs are the perfect protein source. They also contain healthy fats and other essential nutrients, such as vitamin B and choline. Proteins found in eggs help in increasing strength and muscle building, but other substances in them contribute equally. Egg yolks contain dietary cholesterol that does not increase blood cholesterol levels. They help bodybuilders maintain a balanced diet. Fats are essential, especially during the growth stage. Vitamin B present in eggs assists various processes in the body that help in the production of energy. Eggs also contain amino acids that enhance muscle recovery and other essential minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium. 2. Lean beef. Beef is one of the best foods for muscle building because of its high protein content. It also provides amino acids, vitamin B, and creatine, all of which are important for increasing muscle mass. Those doing weight training can benefit even more by including high-protein foods like beef. For muscle gain, choose lean cuts with fewer calories. Grass-fed beef has more conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which reduces body fat and helps build muscle. Additionally, beef contains saturated fats that help maintain healthy testosterone levels, an important hormone for building muscle mass. 3. Chicken breast, the lean muscle staple. When it comes to building solid muscle, chicken breast is a go-to for a reason. Just 3 ounces packs around 26 grams of high-quality protein, lean, clean, and powerful. But it's not just about the protein. Chicken is also rich in B vitamins, especially niacin and B6, which play a vital role in energy metabolism and muscle recovery. What's more, eating chicken regularly on a high-protein diet helps torch fat while preserving lean mass, a double win for anyone serious about getting stronger and more defined. 4. Milk, the original recovery drink. Milk is more powerful than it looks. It contains a natural combo of whey and casein, making it ideal for muscle repair. But that's not all. Milk also includes glutamine, omega-3s, and essential electrolytes that help refuel the body and repair muscles post-exercise. Studies show that drinking milk after resistance training can increase muscle mass just as effectively as some supplements. It's simple, natural, and full of what your muscles need. 5. Spinach, the underrated muscle supporter. Spinach may not scream muscle food, but it's loaded with nutrients that support muscle repair, endurance, and overall health. It's high in glutamine, which helps preserve lean mass, and also contains iron and calcium, both crucial for strength and performance. Iron helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, while calcium supports muscle contractions. Think of spinach as the behind-the-scenes hero that helps you train harder and recover smarter. 6. Peanuts, high-calorie muscle fuel. Need more calories to grow? Peanuts are a powerful ally. Just half a cup can contain 400–500 calories, giving you plenty of energy for long training sessions or bulking phases. They're also rich in leucine, one of the most important amino acids for triggering muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build new muscle fibers. Plus, they offer healthy fats that support hormone balance and recovery. 7. Beans, budget-friendly protein with big results. Don't underestimate the humble bean. Beans are a nutrient-dense source of protein and fiber, with a solid dose of iron, magnesium, and even a bit of zinc, all important for recovery and performance. They're especially useful if you're looking to build lean muscle without spending a fortune or relying heavily on animal products. From black beans to lentils, this versatile food earns its spot in any muscle-building meal plan. 8. Greek yogurt. Double protein, double impact. Greek yogurt is a muscle-building upgrade over regular yogurt. Why? Because it delivers both casein and whey proteins, giving you the best of both worlds, fast and slow digestion. That means an immediate spike in amino acids, plus a steady stream that keeps your muscles nourished. It also has nearly 25% more protein per serving than traditional yogurt. Add fruit or nuts, and you've got a recovery-friendly snack that fuels muscle growth, boosts digestion, and supports immunity, all in one bowl. 9. Salmon, muscle fuel with a heart-healthy bonus. Salmon isn't just a tasty protein, it's a muscle-building powerhouse. A single serving delivers a solid amount of protein alongside omega-3 fatty acids, like EPA and DHA, which don't just benefit your heart, they also enhance your body's anabolic response to training. That means your muscles respond better to workouts, recover faster, and stay leaner over time. Omega-3s have also been shown to reduce inflammation, making salmon an ideal food for anyone lifting regularly or trying to bounce back from tough workouts. And there you have it, 9 powerful muscle-building foods that aren't just good for you, they're your secret weapon for lasting strength, recovery, and real gains. Whether you're just starting out or you've been training for years, remember this, what you do in the kitchen is just as important as what you do in the gym. Every rep you lift tears the muscle, but it's these foods that help you build it back, stronger, bigger, and better. No overpriced supplements, no gimmicks, just real whole foods with real power behind them. So tell me, which of these foods are already staples in your diet? And which one are you going to start adding today? I'd love to hear your thoughts, your routines, and even your meal prep hacks. Drop them in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you out or gave you that extra push, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future tips on how to train smart, eat right, and live strong. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and above all, stay healthy and safe. I'll see you in the next one.